how's it going, everybody? We are, it's Saturday right now, 11-ish a.m. and we are headed to the airport. We have our friend Peter driving us. Thanks, Peter, for taking the time to come get us and take us to the airport. We got Austin and Cheryl in the back there. We're heading to Cheryl's favorite place to go on trips. Yeah, where do we go? Yeah, right. So this time we're not going to Tokyo though. We're going to Osaka area. So we're gonna go Kansai and hang out in that area. Anyways, we're here in Japan now, and Peter's still with us. Just kidding.
The gas was expensive to get all the way to.
Right. So we just drove here instead with Peter's flying car. Only way to fly. It's like as I get closer, then I'm like, oh, okay, go to the left or the right. Sorry.
That's it. Hawaiian was one.
Yeah, that's it. Hawaiian was one.
You gave me last time. Bye.
It's okay. Just get.
I don't
lunch.
do that. I drive. You drive me. I drive you.
Okay.
Whatever.
All right.
No.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, that sucker. Take our money. Okay, we checked in our baggage. Little bit weird. We got dropped off at Terminal 2, checked in over there, but then they said we gotta go walk back to Terminal 1 to get to our gate. So that's where we're going right now, Terminal 1. We just got through TSA check, anyways, we're gonna go to our gate now. We might pick up some water maybe. That's good. Bigger one. You want that one? Scan.
And separate. You guys separate it. Wow, for something. Okay, never mind.
So do you take it off?
No? Keep adding whatever.
Oh, that's really. What is that? Is that a surfboard? Meatball sub? Yeah. So we got Subway because airport food is so expensive. Wow.
I might go back for that donut though.
Okay. Sounds good. Hey, you're on vacation. Whatever you want. Just sitting here early, waiting for our plane. We're like really early, yeah? We got a couple more hours.
2.5.
2.5 more hours.
It's
So.
12 o'clock now.
Now boarding guests in Zone 6 for
Cool,
Hawaiian
but that's
Airlines
us. We don't like to stress.
Mm-hmm.
This meatball sub is pretty good, but I want to eat some lettuce.
TSA has limited the items that may be carried through the screening checkpoint.
So we were at gate 10A, and they just moved us to C8. So that means we gotta go to a different gate area because we're in the A section.
Hawaiian Airlines flight 18, departure gate A10, Hawaiian Airlines flight 449, departure gate C8. Long.
Hi.
Where you guys going?
Japan. C8. They moved us from A10. So you keep going.
First right.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. That gate.
They screwed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The garden. It's really nice to go walk in. Couple thousand steps in already.
Starting off with American Airlines Flight 115 from Dallas, Fort Worth.
Your baggage may be claimed on carousel 18. Passengers from American Airlines now
Alright.
ありがとうございます。パスポートお写真のお願いします。Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
到着いたしました。ありがとうございます。
Thank you. Hi.
You're gonna go down this first aisle here? First aisle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. We're in the middle next one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's closed. Can you put it in on the other side? It's closed. It's full.
We sat in the wrong seat at first, but now we're good. Austin's got his Rubik's Cube so he can fidget with something the whole trip for 9 hours.
It's not only yours to read.
Flight crew share the safety features of this aircraft and some of our favorite spots throughout the islands. For your comfort and safety, please fasten your seatbelt. Insert the flat end.
Okay. Okay, we gotta go through customs and stuff and pick up our baggage, so we're just following the crowd. Yeah, just come in. I'm here, don't worry. Just show me. We're out. We made it. Oh my gosh, now we're gonna find it. Yeah. We're in Kansai right now. We're at the we just got out of the airport, got all our baggage and everything. We're good to go. Past customs and immigration good, so we just gotta get our bus ticket, airport limousine to the hotel. I think automated one.
Maybe who collects it up there, I don't know.
はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。You got it, awesome. はい、ありがとう。Oh, okay. Great. Wow.
It's a step.
Yep. What's the step, Austin? Oh, look at the wall. She's already checking out the free stuff and we didn't even check in yet. So we checked in our hotel, now we're going back out. Again, I'm gonna get some food and drinks. It's still a little early, yeah? Like 8 something? So,
Almost 9 o'clock.
Almost, okay. Almost.
Where are we?
Yorobacho's on the I was thinking about getting Gatsby wipes.
Kit Kat. Oh yeah.
Not right now. Food. Yorobacho. It's right there. Let's just go up to it. The shop. We don't need.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go in here.
I'm gonna go this way. Oh, it's very tight.
Yeah, narrow aisle.
Okay, we got food, so we're gonna go back to the room to eat it. Austin's probably sleeping already. He wouldn't answer, so yeah, our first meal over here. I had to eat something. I couldn't just go to sleep after eating airplane food. I wasn't satisfied. Spicy tofu rice bowl. And then I got this inari udon. It was like 400 yen. Oh.
See?
Oh, yeah. So you just hold the plastic.
Yeah.
And it's a pocket. Like,
It's a
cool.
shrimp and vegetable wrap.
Nice. Like it. It's our first day. We just traveled from Hawaii to Osaka, Kansai, and we caught the airport limousine, which is a bus, to our hotel. So we're gonna just have an awesome adventure for the next week, and we'll share that with you folks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Abundance channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, everybody. Aloha.
I feel so this.
I'm still filming.
Kirby says bye.